Today, I'm going to try to recreate the legendary Din Tai Fung Asian cucumber salad. This simple recipe is so delicious and will only take minutes of your time. To start, you're going to need some cucumbers. I prefer a very small diameter cucumber like these. These are called mini cucumbers. That's what I would recommend. Try to get one that is just not too big. Otherwise, the bites are a little too large. This is the diameter kind of that Din Tai Fung uses. I'm going to wash these. Always wash your vegetables. And then we're going to cut off both tips on the end. And we're going to cut right around 1/2 inch slices. Once you get those, you want to try to keep them consistent. So I'm going to use one of the pieces I've already cut to go around and use that as kind of the model for the next few pieces I'm going to cut. Once you get them all chopped up, I'm going to throw them into a bowl here, and we're going to give them a very quick kind of salt brine. We're going to cover these in a fairly healthy amount of salt, and that's going to pull the moisture out of them. I'm not exactly sure why I need to do that, but every recipe does it, and I have noticed a difference when you do it. Otherwise, they are very, very liquidy, and you don't want that. So just cover them in that salt, and we're going to throw those off into the fridge for 30 minutes. Here you can see they were right at that 30-minute mark, and there's a good amount of moisture that has come out of these. There's not a ton, but you could see there's enough on the bottom that would have just kind of made your sauce watery. So that's, I assume, why this gets done. We're going to then give them just a quick rinse to get that salt off. How that doesn't make them fill back up with moisture, I don't know, but that's not the point. On to the actual ingredients here. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. If you like that taste, do a full tablespoon of it. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. I like that taste, so I put in just a little dash more. You can do more or less of this if you want. Then we're also going to put in 1 tablespoon of regular granulated sugar and then hot oil. This oil is actually from Din Tai Fung, but you could use any sort of like chili crunch hot oil you want, and it'll come out the same. Try to get a good amount of that garlic that's down there at the bottom and the onion pieces that they put in it, and a little bit of that liquid also, and then just give that a good mix. Throw that in your fridge and wait around 1 or 2 hours. Every 15-20 minutes, give it a shake. That way you're really continuing to coat the cucumbers, and that's it. Very simple. You did maybe 3 minutes of work here, and the reward is fantastic. Look at how good those look. They're covered in that beautiful oil. They've absorbed the flavors as well, so they have a really nice sesame taste, and all you need to do is lay it out on a plate like this, all nice and fancy. You absolutely do not need to do that, though. Eat it right out of the quart container. Take a bite, and they are absolutely delicious. I strongly recommend anyone who likes spicy vegetables, give this a try. It's so worth the effort. Let me know what you guys think.